Hey, Invest in WI. Jay Hill coming to you from Valparaiso. We're at 41 Lourdes or Lourdes, Singer in Valparaiso. We have a bi-level 1,900 square foot home, 2.5 car garage. I thought the pastel yellow yesterday in Gary was something. This is definitely pastel yellow, but siding looks good. Gutters are good. Vinyl windows. And let's go inside and take a look. It's a 3-tab roof and kind of looks okay condition, but needs a little bit further inspection. We got some aluminum windows too. So let's go on inside. All right, this is, as you can see, by level. Bam. All right, let's head upstairs. This is a 4-bedroom, 1 bath with a partially finished basement. So we're stepping into the living room. So you see this beautiful blue carpet. That would need to be replaced. Swing around to the dining room so you can kind of see this perspective. Here we go. Bam. That's from the dining room. Showed you a little bit from the living room. Kitchen. This is not a bad cabinetry if you're gonna use this house as a rental, but definitely kind of transition on out of this kitchen as a flip. Let's flip it around. Out back is a enclosed porch, relatively makeshift. As you can see, they were doing a little bit of work on it and they stopped. Or they were trying to build it and they stopped. No, they were renovating it. So there's no stairs off of that door, so don't attempt. And don't attempt to go out that back door. Just kind of go downstairs and around. And I'll show you how to get there through the garage into the backyard. Let's head around. Up here we've got 3 bedrooms. One. Another spring color, kind of pastel-y greeny with that hunter green combo. We've got a nice little pastel-y pink bedroom. Hey, with like hot pink carpet. Hallways are pink. And then I think this was probably the master bedroom. Alright, each of the rooms has 2 windows, so you got plenty of light in there. Then we step into the bathroom. As you can see, carpet and laminate vinyl flooring throughout. Let's head on downstairs. Mechanicals, 817, new water heater basically. Recently installed furnace not too long ago. It's pretty clean. There's 2 ways to go. That leads you to an extra bedroom slash entrance to the garage. And then this leads you into the, I guess you could call it the family room. Lots of paneling, ceramic flooring. And as you all can see, there's a lot of additional space because they put a bunch of closets in. So you can really open this thing up really nice and actually do a nice little value add down here. Turn it into a 5-bedroom or a large family room with an office slash den with a bathroom. You could be really creative. Sump pump, boom, on well water out here. Lots of minerals. And then this is the other bedroom downstairs. Pretty interesting floor. As you can see, with paneling, bananas down here. A couple of different grades, textures, colors. I guess they're trying to create some depth. I don't know, maybe let your eye follow the eye. All right, we're heading to this 2.5 car garage. As I promised, I'll show you how to get out to the backyard through the garage. Nice large space. Cool for those folks that got lots of tools. Likes to do the mechanic thing on the cars or rock the craft thing and build furniture, huh? So anyway, that was that door I was telling you all about, and another perspective of that enclosed porch with the deck off the back. Large backyard, butts up against a farm. Corn is coming into season. I'm gonna step out toward the shed slash, I don't know what that is, storage. Let's flip it around. This is the back of the house. So siding, again, is pretty good. And roof needs some attention. Did a good job of running the water away from the house. I've never seen an extension that long before, but it is what it is. So I'm at 41 Lourdes, or 41 Lourdes, in Valparaiso. Looking forward to getting your feedback. Really appreciate you guys spending some time with me, almost 6 minutes, looking at this particular property. So looking forward to, again, your feedback and showing you this property soon. As I step around the property and show you the total perspective. Oh, one more thing. This sits on almost a full acre of land, 0.8 acres. So you're pretty close to a full acre on this property. As you can see, it took me almost 6 minutes to walk around the house, and I'm exhausted. All right, this is Jay Hill, Invest in WI, signing out.